If you love fresh and crisp lettuce in your salads, wraps, or sandwiches, you know how disappointing it is when it wilts or turns soggy too soon. Today, I am going to show you how to keep your lettuce fresh and crunchy for much longer and the right way to wash it so it is perfectly clean and ready to eat. These simple tips will not only save you money, but they will also make your meals taste better. Let us get started. When you want your lettuce to stay fresh for several days, the first step is to think about how you store it. If you are not planning to use it right away, keep the leaves whole and do not wash them before storing. Washing them too early adds extra moisture, and that moisture can cause the leaves to become soft, limp, or even slimy much faster. The best time to wash lettuce is right before you are ready to eat it. That way, you lock in that fresh, crisp texture. Once you have your lettuce dry and whole, place it into a zip-top bag. Press out as much air as possible before sealing it completely. This helps keep the moisture level balanced inside the bag, preventing the leaves from drying out on the edges, while also stopping excess water from collecting. A tightly sealed bag also creates a small barrier from the rest of the fridge, which helps keep the flavor and texture intact. After sealing your lettuce in the bag, store it in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. The crisper drawer is designed to keep vegetables at the right humidity level, so they last longer and stay fresher. Just make sure the drawer is clean and dry before placing your lettuce inside. One more important thing. Do not store your lettuce near ripe fruits like apples, bananas, or pears. These fruits naturally release ethylene gas. Ethylene is harmless to people, but it speeds up the ripening and wilting process in leafy greens. If your lettuce sits next to these fruits, you might notice it turning limp or developing brown edges in just a short time. By keeping the leaves whole and dry, sealing them in a zip-top bag, storing them in the crisper drawer, and keeping them away from ethylene-producing fruit, you can enjoy fresh, crisp lettuce for days longer. Not only will your salads taste better, but you will also waste less food and get more out of every head of lettuce you buy. Sometimes you wash your lettuce but do not use it all right away. If you simply place the wet leaves into a container and put them in the refrigerator, they will quickly turn dark, limp, and unappetizing. Moisture is the biggest enemy of fresh lettuce. Instead, take a few extra minutes to dry the leaves thoroughly before storing them. Start by laying out a clean paper towel on a flat surface. Place the washed lettuce leaves on top and gently pat them dry. You do not want to crush or bruise them, so work lightly. The leaves should be completely dry because even a small amount of trapped water can make them spoil faster and develop that soggy texture. Once the leaves are fully dry, divide them into portions that are just the right size for a salad or a sandwich. This will make it easier to grab exactly what you need later without exposing the rest to air and moisture. Wrap each portion in 1 or 2 dry paper towels. The paper towel will absorb any excess moisture and help keep the leaves crisp for longer. Do you often use lettuce in your meals? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear how you prepare and store yours. Next, place the wrapped portions into a zip-top bag or an airtight plastic container. Seal it well, then store it in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. This method can keep lettuce fresh and crunchy for about 1 to 3 days, depending on the type of lettuce and how dry it was when you stored it. It is also a good idea to check the paper towels during storage. If you notice they have absorbed a lot of moisture, replace them with fresh, dry ones. This simple step will keep the humidity under control and extend the freshness of your lettuce even more. If you are still washing lettuce under running water and thinking that it is completely clean, you might be missing a few important steps. Let us go through the right way to make sure your lettuce is not only free of dirt, but also fresh, safe, and ready to eat. First, start by cutting off the tough base of the lettuce. This is the firm stem that holds all the leaves together. Once you remove it, the leaves will naturally separate, which makes them much easier to wash thoroughly. Keeping the leaves attached often leaves hidden pockets of dirt and tiny insects near the stem, so separating them is an important step. As you separate the leaves, take a moment to inspect them. Remove any that are bruised, slimy, or showing yellow, wilted edges. Damaged leaves do not taste good, and they can also shorten the freshness of the rest of your lettuce if you store them together. Next, prepare a large bowl or basin that is big enough to hold all of your lettuce leaves comfortably. Fill it with clean, cool water. Once the bowl is filled, add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar to the water and stir to mix it evenly. Vinegar is a natural cleaner that can help remove bacteria, pesticides, and even small insects that might be clinging to the leaves. It is gentle, food safe, and an easy way to give your lettuce an extra level of cleanliness. Now place your lettuce leaves into the bowl and let them soak for about 3 to 5 minutes. While they soak, you can gently move them around with your hands to help release any dirt or debris trapped between the folds. By the way, where are you watching this video from? Leave me a comment below, I would love to know. After soaking, it is time for the final rinse. Take each leaf out of the bowl and hold it under a gentle stream of running water. Make sure to flip the leaf over and rinse both sides. Pay special attention to the rib and stem areas, the thicker parts of the leaf, because these spots tend to hold on to sand and fine particles. You can run your fingers lightly along these areas to help remove anything that might still be there. At this point, your lettuce is completely clean, and now it is time to dry it before using. The easiest way to do this is with a salad spinner. Simply place the leaves inside, close the lid, and spin until the excess water is gone. This tool makes drying quick and effortless while keeping the leaves intact. Drying is an important step because even a small amount of leftover water can make lettuce wilt, lose its crispness, or spoil faster. By making sure your lettuce is thoroughly dry, you will keep it fresh, crunchy, and ready to enjoy. Now your lettuce is washed, dried, and ready for whatever delicious dish you have planned next. Now that you know how to keep your lettuce fresh and clean, let's talk about why it is such a great choice for your meals. Lettuce, especially varieties like romaine and green leaf, is low in calories but packed with nutrients. It is an excellent source of vitamins A and K, which support healthy vision, skin, and strong bones. It also provides folate, a B vitamin that is essential for cell growth and heart health. In addition to vitamins, lettuce contains antioxidants that help protect your body from cell damage. Romaine lettuce, for example, is rich in lutein and beta-carotene, both of which are important for eye health. It also has a good amount of water and fiber, making it refreshing, hydrating, and great for digestion. Because it is light and versatile, you can enjoy lettuce in salads, wraps, sandwiches, or even as a crunchy base for a healthy snack. It is a simple way to add color, texture, and valuable nutrients to your plate without adding excess calories. So now you know exactly how to choose, wash, dry, and store lettuce to keep it fresh, crisp, and ready for your favorite meals. With just a few simple steps, you can enjoy cleaner, healthier greens while reducing waste and saving money. I would love to hear your thoughts. Do you have any tips of your own for keeping lettuce fresh? Share them in the comments so we can all learn from each other. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical kitchen tips and food storage tricks. Thanks for watching, and here's to enjoying fresh, delicious lettuce every time you eat.